Is high-pressure washing the right solution for graffiti removal? To remove graffiti, booking a high-pressure cleaning service in Melbourne is the best solution. The reasons include: high-intensity water jets disintegrate color. Pressure washing can be adjusted. Pressure cleaning is not time-consuming. This cleaning technique suits most surfaces. If you are looking for professional high-pressure cleaners in Melbourne, Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne is the name to consider. We are experienced and committed to providing you with the best results. So, call 038583 9100 to hire our cleaners today.